nag-launch itong Turf Residences last January 2024. Tapos nag-groundbreaking siya nung...
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony of SMDC Turf Residences.
Pasukin na natin para sa construction update ng pre-selling ng Turf Residences. Entrance ng Turf Residences. So ayan, so nakikita nyo, start na ng construction. May tolda pa dyan. So halika, pasukin natin yung loob para mas makita nyo na gumagana na yung pre-selling. Kuya, papasok ulit. So halika, pasok na tayo. Thank you, kuya. So nakita nyo kung gaano kalawak itong Turf Residences. Ayan, nag-i-start na yung construction. Dati nung nagpunta kami dito, hinuhukay pa yan. Lubak-lubak yan, puro putik. Tapos ito may mga tao dyan, may mga nagka-construction. Ngayon, ayan na, nalatag na siya. Nagpatag na siya ngayon. Hindi kagaya nung unang punta ko. So nakita nyo, nag-i-start na yung mga construction. Ayan, hanggang ngayon, biglaan lang yung punta namin dito, pero tignan mo, naabutan namin sila, nagtatrabaho dito. Ayan, gumagana. Actually, bawal nga itong pagpasok namin dito, hanggang doon lang ako eh. Pero para makita nyo, eto, ayan. Buwis buhay tayo para makita nyo yung bibilin nyo na home nyo in the future.
Turf Residences, a premier residential investment opportunity. Located in the heart of Binyan, Laguna, Turf Residences offers a unique blend of accessibility, amenities, and luxury. This 6-hectare residential community is comprised of 18 mid-rise buildings.
Tatayo dito yung batch 1 ng 5 building. First batch na building na itatayo dito is building NOPQR.
Each equipped with secure parking lots. Turf Residences is situated near Brent International School,
just right across,
making it an ideal investment opportunity for students seeking convenient and comfortable living arrangements, investors looking to capitalize on the growing demand for rental properties near top-rated educational institutions. Residents of Turf Residences can enjoy a range of luxurious amenities including basketball and tennis courts, swimming pool, luxurious amenities, and secure living environment. Strong demand for rental properties, potential for long-term capital appreciation. Whether you're a savvy investor or a discerning homeowner, Turf Residences offers a unique and compelling investment opportunity.
Ito po yung mga available units na mapagpipilian nyo.
Cozy 1-bedroom unit, 24 square meter of comfort and convenience, perfect for students and young professionals.
Yung combined units, 48 square meter. Yung combined units naman po, iyan po yung combined na 1 bedroom. So, halimbawa, ang pinurchase nyo is unit 5, unit 6. So, i-combine po natin yan. So, aalisin na lang po yung partition yan sa gitna.
The spacious 1-bedroom combined unit, ideal for those seeking extra room to relax and entertain. It's a modern design, sleek and stylish interiors, designed to provide a comfortable and relaxing living environment, high-quality materials and finishes, ensuring durability and low maintenance. Smart home features, integrated smart home technology for added convenience and security. Get ready to unlock your future Turf Residences Turnover 2028. Invest in your future today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of Turf Residences and make your dream home a reality. Contact me on my Facebook. This is Bless de los Santos, IMP International Sales, SMDC.